Hi, I'm Laurie from Hudson Valley and Madison Ave Bookkeeping. I specialize in mental health bookkeeping for solo practices, and I also give QuickBooks Online coaching. So let's talk about if you are a sole proprietor or you've created an LLC. If you are currently an LLC and you pay yourself, you will post that in QuickBooks as a draw. I speak to many of you all the time, and you refer to that as payroll, which could confuse things if you're speaking to your CPA or another bookkeeper. Payroll is something where you're paying an employee and you are withholding Social Security and Medicare and federal and state income tax. So if you are a solo practitioner in an LLC entity or sole proprietorship, you will be paying yourself what they call a draw, a member draw. So you're going to create that account as an equity account in your QuickBooks Online, and it will not be reflected on your profit and loss. So that's very confusing for a lot of people. It's called a member draw, and you're going to need to make estimated payments throughout the year in order to cover the income tax. Now, if you are in a professional corp or a PC and maybe possibly an S corp, then you would make yourself an employee of the company and you would need to run payroll. And so then you'll have to get an actual payroll company. You can do that through Gusto. QuickBooks Online offers payroll. ADP and Paychex are some of the bigger companies I'm familiar with. So I hope that clears that up. So just remember, if you're an LLC, you're going to pay yourself a member's equity draw. I would recommend creating a chart of accounts equity code for each year so that you can track how much you pay yourself. And also, if you're giving your business bank account money, that would be considered a contribution. So you could actually make a contribution equity code, and I would specify the year, and also a draw code, and that would be for the money you pay yourself out. And then again, if you're in a corporate structure like an S corp, then you would pay yourself via W-2 wages, and you would need to hire a payroll company. I hope this clarifies this. Again, I'm Laurie from Hudson Valley and Madison Ave Bookkeeping. Please reach out. I have a link below for a free consultation. Have a great day.